Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth system in this Mercedes Benz. So let's go somewhere else. From any screen, we go to telephone, and you've got it there. There's nothing connected at the moment, but from here, from this round control here, we can go to telephone. Click telephone by pressing in the center, and there you've got Bluetooth telephones. Click Bluetooth telephones. You've got Barry's iPhone there. That's the one. So you can navigate by turning that. It says options at the right hand side, so I need to knock across there. I'm on options, then click options, and you've got deauthorize. That's what I want to do. Deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 11? It defaulted to no. I've knocked it to yes, turning the control. Click yes. That's it gone.